Good morning, everyone. Alhamdulillah, great environment, wonderful feeling early in the morning. Cool breeze is blowing all around. Look at the moon in the sky. The sky is clear today. There are stars. There is moon in the sky, and there is beauty all around. There are snow-capped mountain as well, and there are different kind of mountains. Green trees also there on the top of the mountain. So great feeling, wonderful environment. There is calm, there is peace, there is serenity, there is tranquility. MashaAllah. Thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay fit, stay strong, everyone.